are you? It's like you put me in a spell that's voodoo, and now I'm drowning in your love. Let's sail away.
Guys, ang ganda niyo. Ang ganda niyo. Hey guys, it's Sachi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions video on the Revlon Crystal Aura collection. So this collection is actually a limited edition collection which launched last year in the States, but they were only able to launch this here in the Philippines recently. I think around last May lang siya na launch here sa Philippines. So I decided to get them because I was super curious about these products. This line is actually based on Crystal Auras or Auras, and one of my favorite vloggers, aka Killa Kush, has been using these products or some of these products on her videos, and yun nga, I got curious because Crystal Auras, it's a term that I've grown fond of my whole life. I think the word aura has always been dear to me. Of course, I did my research and went to the Revlon site, and this collection is really based off Crystal Auras, as in may mga colors pa siya dun. Basta check it out na lang on the Revlon site. There's like specific colors for your moods and stuff. And for those of you that are still curious about what an aura is, I'm fortunate enough to get a simple definition from my mom, who sees real life auras, guys. As in real life, not computer generated, not from the machine, but real life auras. You might be wondering how she does that, and it's because she has a gift. But I won't be talking about her gift in this video because I still have to talk her into doing a video with me. So stay tuned na lang if ever. Back to the topic of what an aura is. According to what my mom said, aura is the color of the body. It is the color of the energy that comes out from a person, and your aura changes according to your moods. By the way, my mom is a counseling therapist and a parapsychologist, and there's more to that, but again, I won't be talking about my mom in this video. Stay tuned na lang. This collection has 9 products, but not everything was available on Lazada, so I only was able to get the liquid aloe eyeshadow, the glow lip oil, the putty powder eye beam, and lastly, the glow gelée or glow gelée, or I think it's pronounced like gelée because it's French, but I'll just say jelly because I'm not French. I did not get the Crystal Aura lipstick because parang hindi ko siya peg. I don't think I'll be able to use it, and it kinda looks like a toy makeup for me. I'll just put the picture right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. I did my base makeup off camera, and I'm just gonna do a soft brown smoky eye. But I'm gonna fast forward you guys so you don't have to go through that. Now I'm gonna use the Revlon putty powder in the shade Moonstruck. Okay, it has no scent. That's good. This shade is so pretty. It's so sparkly, and it looks like a deep blue mermaid vibe. Wow, that's so pretty. Wow, that sounds super smooth, and it's not the regular shimmer. So this one is actually infused with the Crystal Topaz, and it has more of like a sheen finish to it. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Ang ganda niya! Ang ganda niya, guys. Do you see that? Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I wanna get the other shades. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda niya! Ang ganda niya! Naiiyak ako. Ang ganda niya, guys. Maganda talaga siya. Next, I'm going to top it off with the liquid aloe eyeshadow in the shade Heal Your Spirit. And Revlon claims that this shimmering liquid eyeshadow goes on like a gloss. So, yun. Let's try this. Okay, it has no smell. The pigmentation on this is so intense. Wow. I think this could be a dupe for the Stila liquid eyeshadow. What Do you all see this? Do you? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I decided to put the liquid aloe eyeshadow all over my lid because I love it and I want to put it all over my eyelid. Now it's time for highlight and I'm gonna use the Glow Jelly in the shade Witchery. It's really jelly, you guys. So this is it. This highlighting jelly is loaded with rose quartz and it catches the light and makes the skin look luminous with a pretty pearlescent glow. Oh my, what? That's just blinding. Wow, that light sounds so smooth. I think I put too much. If you guys get this, just make sure to dab it and don't swipe it on like I did because it just went everywhere. Last but not the least, I'm gonna use the Glow Lip Oil in the shade Deja Vu. Ooh, Deja Vu. And this is like a pinkish, yeah, it's a pink lip glow oil. Okay, it smells good. It smells sweet. It smells like a cupcake. Yeah, oh my gosh, it smells sweet like a cupcake. I love the scent. I'm a sucker for anything that smells like vanilla or anything sweet. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, it feels so nice. I like this. It's very lightweight on the lips and it feels like there's something there because it is a lip oil, but it's not the annoying type of lip oil na you feel like it's heavy. This one is pretty lightweight and I actually love this. I think I'll get more of this in the other shades. It also feels hydrating on the lips. I think this is my new favorite lip product. To finish off the look, I'm just gonna add some mascara and some eyeliner. My favorite products from this collection is the Lip Glow Oil and the Liquid Aloe Eyeshadow. I love these so much. I think I'm gonna add it to my holy grail items. I found that the Glow Jelly was kinda messy to put on the face, but it's nice. The Putty Powder ID, which is this one, okay naman siya. It's just that mas na-prefer ko yung liquid eyeshadow because it's more pigmented and easier to apply. I don't really like using my fingers when I apply eyeshadow. I still like them. I'll use it from time to time, but they won't be in my go-to favorites. So nonetheless, I'm still really happy with how this look turned out, and I hope you guys did too. Now I'm gonna take a chance and go ask my mom if she can go read my aura, and let's see what she says about this look. So let's go. Tadang! Hey ma, say hi to my vlog.
Hi,
Magkamukha ba sila, guys? I'm gonna ask her to read my aura. Are you busy?
No, it's okay.
I did my makeup based on this Crystal Aura collection, and wala lang, diba you read auras? So can you read mine?
Okay. Nice your makeup.
Thanks.
Okay. Your aura now says you have a nice yellow color,
Yellow! I'm yellow, guys.
which is the color of the gut feeling.
And I'm so sorry if I had to cut that. I still have to formally invite my mom so we can talk more about her gift. But kung nabitin kayo, this is it. This is her gift. This is actually my mom's first book, and in this book she talks about her profession as a counseling therapist and a parapsychologist, and she also talks about the paranormal world. So if you guys are interested, please don't hesitate to message me on my socials, which I will put here and in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.